morning everyone. Today we are going to start Science Chapter 11, The Human Eye and the Colorful World, Class 10, Part 4. So, today we are going to start with the atmospheric refraction. In our atmosphere, refraction takes place. There are some areas where is more density and some areas there is less density. So, what happens? When there is more density, the refracted ray bends on the lesser density. So there is some zigzag sign of the refracted ray. So we will understand with the some of the real life examples. Like first is twinkling of star. It is an example of atmospheric refraction. So we have seen the star twinkle. Sometimes the star we see are brighter. Sometimes the star we see is dim. So how does take place? While the light of the star is constant, so how they are twinkling. So let's see what is the phenomena. So there is our earth. Here's a person on the earth. Here's the star. And here's the purple color part is our atmosphere. So now what happens when the rays of the star strikes the atmosphere? It bends. Why? Because the lights were going through the vacuum, and when they will come in the denser medium, it will bend towards the normal, as you can see on the plane on your right hand side, right? So it is bending towards the north when it goes into the atmosphere, that is the denser medium, according to the vacuum. Now what happens? Our brain interrupts. So what happened? The rays are coming in our right direction. They are refracted. What our brain do? The brain will take the brighter part we can see in the backward direction, and we will see the star above the star, right? So this is how we see the star. The initial position of star is different, but what our brain see is the another star. Now what happens? As you can see the magnified image here, when the refracted ray comes into the atmosphere, it is not straight, it is zigzag, as I have told you, because there is less medium somewhere, it is more medium somewhere. So whenever there will be light striking on our eyes, then it is brighter. If it is not, then it is dim, because it is zigzag. It will change the position. Okay, now here's a question arises that star do twinkle. Okay, but what about the planet? Why don't they twinkle? As you can see here, two images. One is star and another is a group of star. Okay, so you can say that this group of star is a planet. Okay, now this star you can see will twinkle, and we are able to see, yes, that this is blinking, twinkling. Okay, now the star here, some of the star will twinkle, some of the star will be brighter, some of the star will be dim. But because there are many stars, so the net we will see will be a brighter one. So that's why we do not see the planet twinkle. Now another example of atmospheric refraction is advanced sunrise. Yes, the sunrise we see is advanced, that is not that we see. Okay, what happens before sunrise? We are able to see the sunrise before 2 minutes, the actual sunrise. How it happens? Let's see. So first of all, here's our earth, and here's a person on the earth. Here's the horizon. Horizon is a imaginary line from which, after passing this line, we are able to see the sun. If the sun is below this line, then we are not able to see the sun. But if the sun is on horizon or above that, we are able to see the sun. So this is called horizon. Here you can see the sun is below horizon. So we are not able to see the sun, but still we can see the sun 2 minutes before its actual sunrise. How? So when the rays of the sun that is below the horizon will go straight, and it should not pass through our eyes. But what happens? Due to the atmosphere, the rays got refracted, and because of refraction it will go towards the normal, and because of that we are able then the rays will go in our eyes and we can feel, right? Now what happens? Our brain, as of similar to the star, will interrupt that from where the rays are coming, it will go in the backward direction, and we are able to see the sun there, as you can see right in the green rays. So our brain will thought that the sun is there, not below horizon, but actually the sun is below horizon. But our brain will interrupt that no, the sun is above the horizon. Okay, so this is how we can see the advanced sunrise. Now, similarly, we have another term, delayed sunset. It is related to that only, similar. So what happens? You can see the sun above the horizon. Okay. Now what happens when the sun goes down, 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 and after passing the horizon, it will go below the horizon, right? But still the rays of sun is there, and after refraction from the atmosphere, the rays will go in our eyes. So we can see the sun below the horizon also after sunset. Okay, this is important to know that the sunrise we see advance is 2 minute difference is there, and the delayed sunset we see is also of 2 minutes. Okay, so that is for today. Thank you.